Well, there are a lot of methods available to password protect a drive. Out of them today we are going to discuss one of them, which involves the usage of 7-zip software. Unless other software, nobody would be able to decrypt a 7-zip password protected file or folder without a password, even if they uninstall the 7-zip software from your computer. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Download and install 7-zip software from the official website. I will drop the link in the description. It is available for Linux and Windows operating system. I have already installed it. So let's jump to the next step. Step 2. Right-click on a file or folder you want to lock. Step 3. Select 7-zip and then choose Add to Archive from the menu. Step 4. Select the archive file format. 7-zip allows users to convert their files into multiple archives formats such as zip, 7z, tar, etc. We recommend zip because in the future you don't need any software to open your password protected. All operating system has inbuilt functionality to open the zip file. Step 5. Configure the compression level. This is up to you. If you want to compress the size of your file, then you can choose any mode such as Ultra or Maximum. I don't want to compress my files, so I am selecting Normal. Step 6. Create a password to protect your file. Make sure password in these entries are the same. Step 7. Set encryption method to IS-256. Step 8. Hit OK to convert your normal file into a password-protected archive file. See, your file is now converted into a password-protected archive. Let's test it. We are going to open this zip file with WinRAR and see if it asks us to enter a password or not to access the files inside it. We are going to extract this password protected file into the new folder, which is located on the desktop. Now enter a password to extract or access that folder. If you can't remember the password, sorry, you won't be able to reset it. This is the only drawback of this method. See? All files are accessible only after you unlock it by the password. So this is how you can create a password protected file on Windows with the help of 7-zip software. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.